olive oil, roughly about 2 teaspoons of olive oil in the front pan. So this, here it is. This is what I'm gonna cook. Oh, there's oil on my fingers. All right, that's what I'm gonna cook today. All right. Got a good vibes. Yeah. So we're gonna cut up white onion. Alright. So this rosemary and fresh thyme is amazing in the pot. This is some spring onion in the pot. Here it is. Peppers. That's how it goes. We've got the peppers, colors. Nice. This is some garlic. Oh yeah. Look at that. Excellent. Give it a stir. Let's see. Amazing. coriander seed. Look at this vegetable stock. Black pepper. Sea salt. Red kidney bean. Oh yeah. This is for meat. Protein. Yeah man. Oh yeah. Vegetable season. Look at that. Delicious. Kaya, good morning. Look at that. Wow. All right. Now, water. Of about 1 cup. Wow. This is amazing. Now, you know what is that? Garlic. Let's taste. See where we are. That's perfect. Wow. All right, let's get Bulgur. Here it is. Gonna wash it. That is so amazing. All right. Now, here it is. Oh yeah. Give it a star. That looking good. Yeah. That looking amazing. Look at that. We don't cook rice anymore. Yeah, that looking good. Look at that. I'm using about 1¼ cup of the bulgur mix. Perfect. I don't think he's reading responding to the chat. Brother, I'm cooking. You don't see what Chef Ricardo doing? I'm cooking. Yeah, that looking good. So I just want to leave that to dry down. Yeah. Oh my God. I'll put the name, listen, guys. I just because I'm not reading, you know. All right, let's cover the pot. If you go on something, you look first the title. The same thing in the title is the same thing I'm cooking, okay? It is bulgur, wheat, and quinoa mix. Quinoa, what you call it, mix. Is the same thing in the title. So if you was reading the title, you would have said, okay, bulgur. And I said I'm putting just the red kidney bean for extra, all right? So here it is. It is bulgur mix. That's all. You can Google it. Google bulgur, wheat, and quinoa mix. Guys, read the title. That's why I put it in the title. Yeah, the title is important. A lot of people, what is a cooking? And it's in the title. I don't understand that one. That's why I put it in the title, because I know people will be asking. So once you read the title, you're gonna say, okay, it is bulgur. You know what I mean? It is bulgur. I said, stop cook. I said, stop eat white rice. The reason why I said stop eating white rice at home. Vegetable bulgur, wheat, and quinoa mix. So you can put anything in it, like vegetable mix, corn, kidney bean, whatever. You don't have to understand what about the bag. You just need to read the title. If you read the title, you can understand like what's in the title. It's the title makes the difference. This is the title right here. This is the title, bulgur. The title on the video, that's what I'm talking about. So basically, if you read in the title, you can see stop eat rice. So vegetable bulgur, that's what I said. Vegetable rice. I'm not cooking vegetable rice, I'm cooking vegetable bulgur. That's why I did it that way there. That means you can understand it. The title says stop eating white rice at home. Vegetable bulgur. So it is very simple, straightforward. Doesn't need a rocket science to understand that. The simplest of kids would understand that. It's a simple thing. Vegetable bulgur with quinoa mix. All right. Once it said vegetable bulgur, so you would understand, okay, he's cooking bulgur. So he's saying, stop eating rice and start eat bulgur. It's a simple thing. But the guy is saying, there, he's not paying attention But you need to read the title. I said stop eating rice at home. Then you just said to yourself, okay, he's cooking vegetable bulgur, that's why. Let me see what happened right here, sir. Live chat, sir, for ignoring about what. Just concentrate on the bulgur. All right, here it is. That's what I'm cooking. Bulgur, wheat, and quinoa, I already want to call it quinoa mix. That's what I'm cooking. Simple one, if you don't understand that one. Here it is. Super subscribe indeed. Big up yourself. Here it is. Is this one cooking? It is bulgur and wheat, and I think them quinoa mix or quinoa. All right, you can get in the supermarket to buy this one. The search, you want to just search for bulgur wheat. That's all. Search for bulgur, and all different type will come up. But if you're allergic to this, you may cannot eat it. Yeah. Any more questions, let me know. All right, go to my website, chefricardo.co.uk. That's my tea. Let's take another look again, so you guys can see the fragrance, what's going on. Oh yeah, look at that. All right, yes, that's, yeah man, that looking nice. Yeah, that looking really nice. So just search for bulgur mix, man. You can't go wrong. Yeah, that looks delicious. Yeah, see that dry out, beautiful. Now you can eat this with fish, and also you can eat it with chicken, beef, lamb, and pork, whatever you want to eat it with. But yeah, that looks really nice. Looks delicious. Bulgur and wheat. Yes, big up yourself, superstar. I like what you're saying right there. Looking nice. It's simple. It's a simple thing, man. It's bulgur and wheat and quinoa mix. But once you type in bulgur, you get a lot of yeah, bulgur is really healthy than white rice. That's the message. I don't believe me. I do my research. Definitely. Oh, Chef, big up yourself, you know, what's going on over there. Yeah. Yeah, it's you see, the message is stop eat white rice for a bit. I like it, but I don't cook it often. Okay, but if you don't cook it often, what about rice? Do you cook rice often? Yes or no? Like white rice. Do you cook white rice often? Because I don't cook rice. I just cook bulgur, wheat, And yeah, so you need this tastes better than rice. I cook cauliflower rice. Yes, every day. Vanessa, what you cook every day? Rice or this? Vanessa, God, what do you cook every day? Rice or bulgur? I cook rice less twice a week. That's too much. When you eat rice too much, it sits in your stomach and it turns into sugar. Yeah. Or rice, okay. Now, I never had cauliflower rice. I did cauliflower rice all the time. Rice every day. So you need to cook this and switch it around, and because all right, now the secret behind rice, when you eat too much rice, it turns into sugar. And you must see that on TV, on hear it on the radio, you see it in the advertisement. I see it every time. When you eat too much rice, it turns into sugar, and it helps to slow down your blood flow, and then that leads to high blood pressure and cholesterol level. Or did you know rice turns into sugar? Millions of people know that starchy food turns into sugar in your body. Okay, remember, when you eat something, all right, it sits in your stomach for a period of time. All right, and then after I sit in your I never knows rice did that. Definitely, 100%. Do your research. Google it. Spend some time and Google what happened when you eat white rice. What happened to your body? It turned into sugar and give you, remember, no matter rice and bread, those things turn into sugar into your body. That's why you see so many people suffer from diabetic, and you hear them say, oh my God, I don't even eat too much sugar. Can it be eaten with fish or chicken? Yes. All right. Why do not talk about the Thai cloud can be eaten with fish or rice? No, because I got a lot of video on that. I got a whole heap of video on this thing. So I will cook this 2 times a week. So you're gonna have to follow me if you want to find out what else I will be doing. Is brown rice good? No, none of them not good. No rice. Black rice, brown rice, none not good. The best thing to eat, this or what you call it? This is more fiber. You get a lot more fiber in your body, and that's what you need. Rice doesn't do that. Rice is starchy. Yeah, man. And this tastes better than rice. Look at that. All right. That is easy to cook. Follow me, and you can learn how to do these things at home. Look at that. Oh yeah. See that? That's the garlic, That's the garlic. You wanna mash it out in it, Look at that. Look how easy. You see this? When you eat this, now this is my meat, the peas, protein. And that's the meat. I don't need nothing else with some, this can eat with avocado. All right. Yeah, turn off the cooker. That's done. Finish. Look at that. Put red kidney bean and vegetables, and I forgot to put my sauce in it, but that's all right. Next time I do that one with the sauce. This you can cook it like jollof rice. use this and make jollof rice. This tastes better than rice. It is a bulgur mix. Alright, and it is better than rice. Remember that, guys. This tastes better than rice. This, I got red kidney bean in it and vegetables. Really good. And it's simple. And when you eat this, it doesn't make you have puff belly. It make your stomach fat. You know, this help you to reduce your tummy. Oh, I am in London. You never see that. Go to the big supermarket. It's in the big supermarket. Let me show you. Go to this supermarket. The big one. See? Look at it. All green. So this is good. Oh, okay. Yeah, get it in there then. I don't know about that store. Yeah. But this is better than rice. Yeah. I live in front of, okay. Oh, you live in front of it so you can get it. It's very, very good. All right, Tina, now let me see what you say. What type of? It is kidney bean, peppers, spring onion, just like how you cook rice and peas. You can do it same way. But don't put any butter, because too much butter doesn't good. Just like how you make rice and peas. You can use it with this. All right, yeah.